What's up guys, I'm James, and welcome back to the Great Gambino channel. In this video, we are going to take a look at the silicone cover offered by the VR cover company for Oculus Quest 2. I'm not sponsored by this company, but I know they've been in the game of creating products for various virtual reality headsets for an extremely long time now. When playing a cardio-heavy VR title, it can become problematic as you start to sweat in the stock face cushion. A product like this can be very useful in preventing this problem. This cover is made from medical-grade silicone and comes in various colors like mint, orange, dark gray, or the red one you see here. I have been following this company since around 2016, and the VR headset pattern on the product package is very familiar, as I remember they used to sell t-shirts with the same design. To the touch, it feels like a soft and flexible material that is of a high quality. Along the top, there's a branded VR cover logo, and by the base of the nose, there's a split flap that will reduce light bleeding and increase immersion. Inside of the package, they've included installation instructions, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that right now. The first thing you want to do is gently pull and detach the stock interface. Next, you want to slip the silicone cover over the right and left sides. It should go on pretty easily. The third step is going to be to pull the cover over the edge down by the nose area. Make sure everything is secure, and you are now ready to snap the interface back onto the Quest. It all fits together and installs quick and seamlessly. Once putting the headset on and testing it out, I can say that it was very comfortable against my face and felt like a worthwhile upgrade. To wrap things up, I think this is a quality product that for the price tag of $14 at the time of making this video is definitely worth the money. If you play intense games and find yourself often sweating in your headset, it will reduce absorption into the fabric and keep your stock interface in new condition. So thank you for sticking with me all the way until the end of this video. I appreciate all of you, and I will see you in the next one.